To power on or off Shark PowerDetect AV robot cleaner model, first of all we'll need to grab our device and then look on the front where you can see the front sensor and all of the buttons. Now all you have to do is press on this button right here on the left side when you look on the Shark logo. Click on it and hold it for a few seconds. 1, 2, 3. Let go of the button, and after a moment our robot will power on. You will also hear a voice prompt or just a sound confirming that it's on. There's also a LED lamp that will start flashing when it's starting and will stay static when it's on. Just like that. Now next step is to power it off, and all we have to do is the same thing. So click and hold this button until your robot is shut down. The LED lamp will disappear and now our robot is off. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.